option 2.
What's option 2?
So option 2 is dealership options. They came back from the dealership. Like I have louvers in the back that light up, say Skyline. There's a piece in the back bumper that lights up and says Skyline as well.
Okay.
There's some visors in the side view mirrors. So there's just some different options that they offer.
Nice. And how long have you had it?
I've had it for almost 4 years now.
4 years now. And did you personally import it, or did you buy it from somebody who imported it?
Actually, I purchased it from a friend that imported it.
Gotcha.
Yes.
And were you looking for this specific model or this specific car?
So, funny story is I had a Lexus GS350, and I happened to go to my friend's shop to go get my oil changed, and the car happened to be there. So I saw it and I said, "What? Is that a Skyline?" He's like, "Yeah." He's like, "Oh man, I wish I could have one." So he tells me, he's like, "It's for sale."
Oh wow.
Really? How much you want for it? So discussed the price. I was like, okay, I'm not able to get that. That's okay. So then a friend of mine that was with me mentioned to my friend who owns the shop, he's like, "Hey, would you be willing to trade for the Lexus?" He's like, "Okay." So I turned around like, "Wait, what? You were really willing to trade?" So we exchanged cars. And that's how
Like a straight trade?
Straight trade.
Wow, that's awesome. That is so great.
Yeah, so I was so ecstatic. Couldn't believe that he was willing to actually do the exchange. It's like, all right.
Yeah, especially for a straight trade. That's awesome. Great job.
Thank you.
So tell me about your history with manual transmission cars. Why do you like them? What do you, what's your feeling on them? Give me a little bit of history with yourself and manuals.
So my father that's all he drove was manual cars. So he told me, if you're going to learn to drive, I'm going to teach you how to learn to drive in a stick shift car. Otherwise, you're not going to drive. So I said, okay, I guess I'm driving a stick shift.
Right.
So he had a 65 Mustang, and he taught me in that. Basically, all we did was just first gear, taught me how to where the clutch actually disengaged.
Okay.
Told me when to give it more gas, and once I got the feel for it, then that was pretty much it. And I love the fact that you can control the vehicle. So if you actually want to have a little spirited driving, you can
Get
choose
a little
the gear.
downshift.
Yeah, a little downshift, give some gas, and just like that.
There we go. I love that turbo noise too. Now, did you do anything to enhance that, or is that stock?
Well, I do have a different exhaust. From the downpipe, I have about a 3-inch pipe connected to the downpipe.
Okay.
I did upgrade the turbo to GT28.
So it's a bigger turbo for this model car, right?
Yes, correct. This one comes with a GT25. So I upgraded to the bigger turbo from the GT-R Skyline.
Okay.
And that actually gives it that nice fun factor.
Yeah, for sure.
And then it does have a aftermarket blow-off valve as well.
Okay.
So that gives it the nice sound, the blow-off.
Sounds really good.
Thank you.
Now, do you have longer-term plans with the car? What else do you plan on doing with it?
As of right now, I'm planning on upgrading the suspension components, brakes. Once I do those components, then I'm going to up the power. I'm planning on going with a bigger turbo, but I want to make sure that everything else is going to be able to support the power.
Sure, that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's smart to do.
Other than that, I'm going to do some cosmetic work to it as well. I plan to change the whole scheme of it, the color.
Okay.
Yeah, not quite sure yet what color, but I'm still trying to figure that out.
Nice. Now, you plan on keeping this for a long time?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
definitely, yeah.
Like kind of a lifetime kind of car?
Pretty much, yeah.
That's great.
I'll be one of those old guys with a Skyline.
I love it.
Instead of a classic car, this will be a classic then.
Sure, yeah, it will. Find that sure will be. Well, Rudy, that was fantastic. Thank you so much for letting me drive your car.
You're quite welcome.
So much fun. Love the right-hand drive. Love everything about it. Really enjoyed it, and I just really appreciate you taking the time and letting us feature it on How's It Shift.
No problem.
Thank you,
Glad
sir.
enjoyed it.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time.